There are so many kinds of coolant, but choosing the right one can be confusing. From the eyes of consumers, they all look the same. This misconception comes with a risk, leading to sudden car breakdown, engine damage due to mixing incompatible coolants, and unnecessary costly repairs. Introducing Prestone Car Specific Coolant with Core Guard anti-corrosion technology, formulated specifically for your car. It comes in the original color and formula, the same coolant used by manufacturers, so it won't void the warranty of your car.
This is our newest and most advanced coolant technology.
For 5 times more effectiveness at stopping the spread of rust, grime, and corrosion, with instant protection against overheating and protection of your system, which prevents damage and failure. Core Guard technology also helps keep parts clean for longer engine life. Our most advanced coolant technology is guaranteed to last longer. Available in red or pink coolant, blue coolant, and green coolant. Industry leader in providing protection from engine-damaging rust and corrosion, and industry leader in providing the longest-lasting engine protection. You can always rely on Prestone, so you can enjoy every moment on the road with year-round superior protection. The next time you're deciding which coolant to use, choose Prestone's most advanced coolant. Right color, right formula, compatible with your car. Best protection ever. Only Prestone provides this level of protection and technology. Keep your car running optimally. Help avoid costly repairs down the road. Prestone Car Specific Coolant with Core Guard technology. Not just any other coolant, it's Prestone Coolant.